Today I want to show you 3 quick tips on how to use Etherscan better for your service. The first tip is you can show the value of the date the transaction was made by clicking on the currency. So if you switch this, you're seeing the estimated value on day of transaction, and you can just switch back and forth from the current ETH value to the day the transaction was done. Same goes for the transaction fee down here. The second tip I want to show is how to use dark mode on Etherscan.io. You just scroll down and then click on the moon. Then it switches to a darker version, and you can always switch back if you just click on the wheel here and turn it back to this one. But you might want to get rid of this flashbang type of style. And the last quick tip for today is you can set your preferences down here, and then you can choose a currency, which is in my case euro, but you could also use like Canada dollars or something like a Switzerland franc or something like that. Just click euro, click save preferences, then go back, and you might have to refresh this site. And from now on you will be seeing all currency values in euros. Stay safe, guys.